Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about Slidebar in ChatGPT. So guys, as you can see my text is over here and the Slidebar in the left side on the screen. I don't want to see this Slidebar on my screen and I want to work on clear screen. So what I will do, I will simply go to the Slidebar, and here you can see the option which is hide Slidebar. You have to hit on this button, and as you can see your screen has been clear with the slide bar, and you can do your work easily. Like if I write something over here and I want to read uh, more about this, so I can do work in the clear screen. And same as the closing slide bar. And now you want to add slide bar as per your needs, so you don't need to confuse about that. Just simply hit the same button, then you will be able to see again your slide bar on your screen. So guys, it's a very little thing, but maybe it will be helpful for you. So hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.